We've mapped the surface of Mars. We've photographed distant galaxies billions of light years away. But here on Earth, more than 95% of our oceans remain unexplored. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet. Yet we know more about space than we do about the deep sea. Beneath the waves lies a world of total darkness, crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and possibly life forms we've never imagined. The real question isn't what we've discovered, it's what we haven't. Exploring the deep ocean is not simple. At just 1,000 meters below the surface, sunlight disappears completely. This region is known as the midnight zone. Below that, the pressure increases dramatically. For every 10 meters you descend, pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. At the deepest parts of the ocean, the pressure is strong enough to crush steel like paper. Most submarines can't survive these conditions. That's why human exploration of the deep sea has been extremely limited. In fact, more people have walked on the moon than have visited the deepest ocean trench. The deepest known part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 kilometers deep. If Mount Everest were placed inside it, the peak would still be underwater. Only a handful of people have ever descended to the bottom. Down there, there is no light, no sound, just endless blackness. Yet even in this extreme environment, life exists. Strange, translucent creatures, tiny organisms thriving in total darkness. If life can survive here, what else might be hiding in the unexplored depths? In the deep ocean, evolution followed a different path. Some creatures produce their own light, a process called bioluminescence. Others have massive jaws, transparent bodies, or glowing eyes. The anglerfish uses a glowing lure to attract prey. Giant squids grow to enormous sizes in the dark. Many species discovered in the deep sea look more like aliens than earthly animals. And scientists believe we've identified less than a fraction of deep sea life, which means thousands, maybe millions, of species remain undiscovered. In 1977, scientists made a discovery that shocked the world. Deep beneath the ocean surface, they found hydrothermal vents, underwater volcanic systems. Around these vents, entire ecosystems were thriving, not powered by sunlight, but by chemicals released from the Earth's core. This discovery changed everything. It proved life does not require sunlight to survive. Which raises a bigger question. If life can exist in these extreme conditions on Earth, could similar life exist on other planets? Throughout history, sailors have reported enormous sea creatures. The kraken, massive sea serpents, shadows beneath ships. Most of these stories were dismissed as myths, but in modern times, sonar scans have detected massive, unidentified moving objects deep underwater. Some researchers believe undiscovered giant species may still exist in the abyss. After all, we once believed the giant squid was only a legend, until we finally captured it on camera. Lost cities and secrets. The ocean floor doesn't just hide creatures, it hides history. Thousands of ancient shipwrecks rest at the bottom of the sea. Entire cities have been swallowed by rising waters. Some researchers believe undiscovered ruins may still exist beneath the waves. There are also classified military operations, underwater cables, and secret research facilities. The ocean is not just mysterious, it is strategic and powerful. Why we should care? The ocean regulates Earth's climate. It absorbs carbon dioxide, produces over half of the oxygen we breathe, and yet we barely understand it. The more we explore space, the more we realize how little we know about our own planet. Perhaps the greatest discoveries of our time won't come from distant galaxies, but from the darkness beneath our own oceans. Powerful ending, the truth is simple. Earth is still a mystery. Beneath the waves lies a vast, unexplored world, making up 95% of our oceans. A world of unknown species, hidden ecosystems, lost history, and possibly something we've never imagined. So the next time you look at the sea, remember, the greatest unknown on Earth isn't in space. It's right below us. Pause, and we've barely scratched the surface.